Popcorn. Oh, damn. Jordan Williams, welcome back. Yeah, I'm pretty pumped too. Same. And again, it's at the end of the day, what matters is that price action. But to see Ryan Cohen buying in at a $1 billion market cap, you see that right there. I got to point that way right there. And that's why I said that too. Whatever the hell that post was, like, what the hell is his valuation of the upside? It's one thing to be buying, and many of us felt this way, even though we have strong views of the potential upside, right? And it's one thing to be buying into like a deep value type stock for GameStop, $4, $5, $6, $7, $8. It's like, all right. I mean, you likely get even a quick double, triple, quadruple, five bagger. But for that significant upside, right? With them, like, well, even it might still appear attractive. So for Ryan Cohen to be buying it at a $1 billion market cap, wow, right? Like significantly increasing his exposure to it, at least, especially from August. It's like, wow, he must have quite a bit of conviction, and there must be material upside. I mean, that's my interpretation. Obviously, we don't know precisely what that high level is, but talk about a vote of confidence on this. For someone like me, it's been so big because I'm perpetually overly focused perhaps on the downside, and to see Ryan Cohen be like $1 billion market cap, like, I give a shit. Give me those shares. And what did he do? What was it? 500K? It's 500K. That's above 16. He don't give a shit. So then the chart, yeah, I actually didn't even pull that. Yeah, just flat. The whole mark was the whole market. I didn't actually see how everything. How did everything end today? Did it bounce back up? Oh, it bounced back up a bit. Oh, okay. Oh, it's like flat today. Oh, okay. This is the type of news takes the market a while to digest. Okay. Yeah. Well, that's the question, right? Is he going to continue purchasing? He's at 12.9 right now. What's he going to go up to? We'll have to see, right? And the good thing now, we know it'll be within 2 days, no matter what. Will he keep on going? I was wondering. We know Cohen is willing to move quickly, right? Based on his August purchases, he was going boom, 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 boom before he had to file. Right, even after he breached 5%, he got to a quick 9% before he had to file anything. And I was wondering if, like, he knew if he wanted to, he could have done the same thing this time around. So I'm wondering if he's done for right now. If he's like, let me just get to 12.9 or whatever his figure was. I mean, oh, you see it was 9,001,000. Oh, I didn't pull it up. So 9,001,000. He's over 9,000. He's over 9,000. I mean, I'm starting to think that Ryan Cohen is just hilarious. You know what I mean? Between the emoji, I mean, I'm just gonna say he was trying to say I'm over 9. Right? Oh, it's right there. Look at that. He's over 9,000. I'm gonna say it's on purpose. I'm going to say he filed the amendment on purpose. Of course not, right? But, I mean, that's hilarious. Anyway, where was I going with that? Oh, that if he wanted more than 12.9, I felt as though he would have done it. And it's almost like maybe he's getting to the 12.9, kind of seeing how the market reacts to it. Maybe if other investors connect with him following the conversation. So we were talking about how he's probably in touch with some. You'd have to think that he's in touch with investors following the Q3 readout. Be like, hey, what's your take on this? How's everything going? How do you feel management handled that? Blah, blah, blah. And this is, if you're other people and you see Ryan Cohen taking this stake, I mean, if you're like a large institution, you'd be like, oh yeah, here's an activist investor, but you see him adding to his stake above a $1 billion market cap, that should give you like, oh shit, he's serious. He's really going for this. He's not just, so I wonder if he gets to the 12.9. Well, I have no idea. I don't even have much. I was just thinking he knew he was going quick last time. So if he wanted to go quick again and get to like 14, 15, 19, whatever it was, like maybe he would have gone even, maybe, I don't know. And what were the total shares? Yeah, I feel like there was enough volume where he could have gone more, but maybe it was deliberate choice not to. But let me know if you all disagree. Okay. Yes, EO. Welcome, EO. So EO saying Cohen proven that his threats to management aren't meaningless. Nice to see this week. Exactly. It can be a quiet time of year. It also just so happens to follow the Q3 readout. So it's a natural time to be adding December 15th, a week after earnings. But it's also a quiet week right now. So I agree, EO. It's like he's and some people were talking about the him potentially walking away. Most of us discount. It's a legitimate risk, but most of us like that seems unlikely at this point. I mean, talk about it's way less likely now. Pretty quick, yep. Oh yeah, Xenia. Did he do 9,000,001,000 on purpose? Xenia. Oh shit. Exactly, TM. Well, cheers, TM. Cheers, Xenia. So that he isn't interested in getting out. He's in it to win it. That's how I've been feeling about this. Back in talks. Short on the road. Well, I suspected that. I figured that might be the usual language to include that we're continuing talks. I want there to be amicable. Even if you're Cohen and you don't think it's likely that you're going to have an amicable resolution, you still kind of toss it in there. Be like, hey, I want this. Like I said, it's in everyone's best interest to achieve that, an amicable resolution. So you put that language in there. But I just kind of figured there's maybe ongoing talks. They get back in with each other in time. If you remember that Hestian permit presentation, they were kind of going through the timeline of their back and forth communications and stuff. So I figured that's kind of an ongoing thing. And so, but yeah, this is proof that this is he's serious. It's over 9,000 ZD. Yeah. Oh shit, that's funny. Oh, Uber, welcome Uber. Exactly. What if you the just shorts? I don't know. Yeah. If you have there's like I said, I think people shorts. Or just the general bear thesis. They've already seen Cohen take a 9.9% stake. Didn't give a shit. They even increased the position. Initially, it was more based on price action, I suspected, on the Microsoft pop and yada, yada, yada. It's largely been flat. Ryan Cohen hasn't, it doesn't seem as though it's had a material impact on that bear thesis because they're like, yeah, there's no guarantee Ryan Cohen pulls this off. And that's true. But now that he's even taken an even larger position, it's only to 12.9, so it's not like anything crazy has to happen, or maybe it's, you know what I mean? Like, I'm trying to put myself in their shoes, and like I said, I thought it seems like it just seems risky. I don't know. And then I think Uber, I think a big part of that bear thesis, in the short thesis, whatever, is that the long-term secular risks, and just because Cohen is adding above $1 billion doesn't negate those, and I think they're waiting for more material information, but just imagine, as I know Uber does and the rest of us, if you're in that other side and you see this is happening, do you think Cohen's crazy? You have to think he's crazy and that he's delusional. You're betting on Ryan Cohen being delusional, which is a very risky bet. And I think, or you can get out or you're hedged, but I just think more shares short than outstanding. Don't you trim? Don't you trim? I don't know.